What goes up must come back down, and what goes down must go back up. And people moving on up Ipswich town, through and through. You're getting there eventually. I don't know if I'm talking about football, I'm talking about the truck. No lunatics come swooping through behind me. Watch the traffic. Right to the bushes. And right back on, right point. Mirrors behind me somewhere. Let's go again. There's a few outtakes on this one. Oh, I even stalled it because of the pressure. You can't be panicking. Twice. I never stall it. Stage fright. There's that mirror, there's that rock in my other mirror. Would you call it a rock or would you call it a mountain? I don't know, but I don't want to hit it. I don't want to hit these tyres and the curbs. I don't want to hit that lamppost behind me, which you'll see in a minute. Hands are on, yeah, they don't want to let me reverse out. Who would?